To create a new assignment, log into Brightspace and navigate to a course from the organizational homepage. Select the desired course using the My Courses widget or the course selector icon at the top right of the page. From your course level navbar, select Content to access the Content tool. You can also access the Content tool through your course admin link if you do not have the Content tool on your course navbar. From the Content tool, in the table of contents located on the left-hand side of the page, select the module you want the assignment to be created in. To create and manage modules, see the supporting documentation called Setting Up and Managing a Course. To create a new assignment, select Upload, Create, New Assignment, and fill out the desired assignment details. Assignment details include assignment name and assignment grade value, as well as assessment type. Select In Gradebook for summative assignment or Not in Gradebook for formative assignment. Final details can include assignment due date, if applicable, and assignment description. Note: for additional assignment configurations, use the drop-down menus located on the right-hand side of the Assignment Creation tool. For more details on advanced assignment configurations, see the video titled Adding Advanced Assignment Options. Once completed, set assignment visibility, then click Save and Close. Your assignment has now been created. If a grade item was entered, you will now see it in your gradebook, and date and grade information will now be visible based on assignment details. Follow the breadcrumbs located just under the nav bar to return to your content modules.